No.
But yours is probably better.
What is this, Chica? Oh. Oh, Chica, how are you going to...
What did you just say? No.
Truckee.
No. I'm on to you.
Serious question.
Yeah?
Do you think my fort's cool?
Yeah.
Do you mind if I take this pillow in there? It'd be perfect for naps.
Sure.
And can I have some of this Tupperware for my kitchen? It's like really disorganized in here.
Did you just say kitchen?
We should call Marie Kondo. Get things tidied up. I bet she'd do it. She seems nice. Oh my God, look at this cape I just found. Look at this, look at my tail. I'm gonna take it with me. I can use it as a blanket in my fort. Best fort ever. Bring it on, quarantine.
Never a dull moment at the cat rescue, part 3. Vanilla loves that fresh. Mischievous takes her job as cart supervisor very seriously, as you can see. Disney the Straw Bandit is back. Moon has lots of personality and lots of things to say.
Extra silly this morning?
Sun thought she found a great hiding spot after she had to have a cone put on her, poor girl. This is Loki. Loki has one eye. He does wonderful, but obviously he's a little bit quirky sometimes. He cracks me up.
Hey, Naomi. I think
Naomi. Always up to something.
Alright, I know. To the onions. I know.
Please keep your toys on yourself. Keep your toys outside, please. Oh my god.